Welcome to Dubai, a city where its nights feel like an unending dream. Here, in the heart of the United Arab Emirates, a unique blend of culture, innovation, and modern splendor is on display. Every corner of this city at night tells a story of life, energy, and beauty. Burj Khalifa, the tallest structure in the world, shines like a jewel in the sky with its dazzling light displays. Dubai's musical fountains dazzle with their water and light show, lighting up every half hour for all to enjoy. Burj Al Arab, located on Jumeirah beach, is designed in the shape of a ship's sail and is known as the only 7-star hotel in the world, symbolizing luxury and innovation in Dubai. Dubai's nights are truly mesmerizing. I highly recommend you don't miss a night drive or even a walk around the city. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to subscribe and like the video. To support our team, please leave a comment as well. In Dubai, you can encounter people from all races and cultures around the world. This way, you can make many friends from different countries. Dubai's nights are truly vibrant, and you can create unforgettable memories for yourself from these nights. Ain Dubai, the world's largest observation wheel, stands at 250 meters on Blue Waters Island, offering stunning views of the city and landmarks like the Burj Khalifa. Traveling to Dubai, you can create unforgettable moments. Immerse yourself in its vibrant atmosphere and soothe your soul as you witness breathtaking scenes that will stay with you forever, creating memories that will last a lifetime.